Hi, I'm Mike Doggett with Windermere Real Estate City Group. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a one-of-a-kind custom rancher set on 55 private acres of fenced and cross-fenced land, perfect for equestrian enthusiasts or anyone looking to raise livestock. Located just 10 minutes from downtown Cheney. This property at 25106 West Carman Lane offers the perfect balance of privacy, convenience, and country living. Let's take a closer look. Step through the front door and discover this stunning custom-built home designed with comfort, style, and functionality in mind. As you step into the spacious dining area, you'll notice how perfectly it flows into the heart of the home. The kitchen is designed for both style and functionality, featuring a large island with granite countertops, beautiful hickory cabinets with soft closed doors and drawers add warmth and craftsmanship to the space. The undermount sink offers a clean, modern look while making everyday cleanup a breeze. Cooking enthusiasts will love the sleek induction stove combining precision with efficiency. And don't miss the walk-in pantry for all your storage needs, along with soaring vaulted ceilings that create an open atmosphere. This is truly a kitchen designed for gathering, entertaining, and making memories. Just off the main living space, you'll find a spacious bedroom designed for comfort and relaxation. Across the hall from this bedroom is a versatile bonus room, perfect for home office, workout space, or a cozy retreat. Separating these two rooms is a full bathroom, offering both convenience and privacy. On the other side of the house, the spacious primary suite is a true retreat with soaring vaulted ceilings that create an open space and relaxing atmosphere. A generous walk-in closet offers plenty of storage, keeping everything neatly organized, and just steps away a private slider leads you to the Trex deck where you can unwind in the hot tub enjoying the peaceful views and perfect indoor-outdoor flow. The primary bathroom offers the perfect balance of style and function. A beautiful tiled walk-in shower adds modern luxury. The freestanding tub provides a peaceful retreat for relaxation. And double vanity ensures plenty of space for daily routines. And with a private toilet, comfort and privacy are built right in. Step outside from the primary suite onto your private Trex deck. Durable and low maintenance, this space is built for both beauty and function. Unwind in the hot tub just steps from your bedroom, perfect for relaxing evenings or quiet mornings. Outside, a stamped rock walkway adds charm and character as it guides you through the property. A fenced animal enclosure provides a safe and practical space for your animals. Garden enthusiasts will love the fenced garden area, perfect for growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs. And a convenient storage shed keeps tools, equipment, and supplies neatly tucked away. The impressive 40 by 48 shop is built with 14-foot walls, offering plenty of storage for projects, vehicles, or equipment. Inside, you'll find a finished loft that adds valuable extra storage or workspace. A heated interior room provides year-round comfort, making it ideal for hobbies or a workshop. And with additional lean-to storage, you'll have even more flexibility for tools, gear, or supplies. This shop is perfectly designed to handle work, storage, and recreation all in one. Whether you're seeking privacy and seclusion, space for hobby farming, equestrian pursuits, or even multi-generational living, this property could be the perfect fit for you. Check out this teaser video of a walkabout tour and you'll get a glimpse of the lifestyle this property offers. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and if you have any additional questions about this beautiful home, you can comment below or contact me directly. Better yet, contact your favorite agent and make an appointment to come out and see this beautiful place. Please share this with anyone you know who may be considering a move to our beautiful Spokane County area. Once again, thanks for taking the time, and we'll talk to you soon.